What's going on, everyone? My name is Richie Flo, and this is another dick tip.
Here you go, another dick tip. It's time for a dick tip.
Here are 3 ways to become a magician. Number 1, first you gotta take the blood oath, and you gotta take the blood oath seriously. There's blood involved. Take the blood oath. That is step 1 in becoming a magician. Number 2, learn magic. It's kind of hard to be a magician if you never learn magic. Learn magic. Learn as much magic as you can. I don't know. Learn a lot of magic if you want to be a magician. Number 3, don't just learn magic and do it by yourself. Perform for people around you. If you're not performing, technically I don't think you are a magician. I don't know though. Actually, you might be a magician. I don't know. You should perform though. Perform your magic. Those are 3 ways to become a magician.